Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be decorating my wall area in my dining room, and I'm going to be doing a DIY of a garland. I wanted to do something different this year. I've seen so many cute ones. They were really, to me, expensive for the kind that I wanted, like $80 with the lights. I didn't want to purchase that, so I just had some stuff that I had already had in my storage from last year, and I bought a few new things this year, so I figured why not go ahead try to make my own, because I did not want to pay $80 for a garland and then still have to worry about hiding the cords from the wall. So I just like, you know what, let me go ahead and just get my own. And I think I paid for everything that I purchased with the garland. It was under $40, including the garland. So this saved me a cost of $40. And it may be cheaper than that, because I still, like I said, I had stuff that I used from last year. But you guys, enjoy the video. I'm not going to do too much talking. Have a great day. Wrapping these LED lights around this garland, ooh, you really have to have patience for that. Because I was like, why did I start this? I was wondering, why did I start this project? But I thought these were super cute. I think I paid $6 for these. And again, I'm going to leave the description of everything, if I can, in the bottom, in the bio. So if you guys like this, let me know. Leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one. And yeah, have a great day. So these are the little figurines that I had got from Walgreens for like $2. And I like the candles. It gives you the illusion of a real candle inside. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and start filling in with my tree picks. That, I'll tell you, that poinsettia on that end where I'm spending so much time on, you can't tell, that gave me such a headache. That did not want to do right. So, of course, you know, I went in and I sprayed with my snow. I wanted to do ribbon. I tried to wrap some around to see how it looked, and it just did not do it for me. So I just said, you know what, less is better. And I hid the battery pack on another command hook behind the garland. But yeah, I wanted ribbon, but it just didn't look right. Well, the ribbon that I had, and I'm not purchasing anything else. So this is what we have. This is how everything turned out. I like it. I'm pleased with it.